So this is just a quick overview on doing the pivot tables with the grouping. So I'm going to just do the basic price here for 1,000. I have already selected all the way down the list to the last item here. I usually don't like to do the whole column because it adds a blank to it and it's just easier to select the whole column this way. So then we're going to go over to insert up here at the top. I'm going to insert our pivot table. We're going to go ahead and do it on a new worksheet and say OK. Remember, we're going to take this price and we're going to drag it to rows. And then we're going to also take this price and drag it here to where it says values. And then we're going to click on the down arrow here and we want to value field settings. Because right now it's doing it as a sum and we want to do it as a count. So we're just going to move this to count and say OK. So now we can see that there is one car that's worth 9,000, two cars for 13,000, so on. But we don't want to have all of these rows. So if you right click, you should see a group right here. If you don't see that, then also up here on the pivot table analysis chart here, you should see one that says group field. You can click that one as well. And then here you can pick your starting, your ending value, and your class width, which is the by. So if I do it by 100, it's going to be too small. So I can go back to group field and change that number to 10. Oops, 10, there we go. And now that's too big. So maybe, excuse me, that's too small. I've got too many cases. So maybe I'll do 50. Well, that looks a lot better. So there is my grouped frequency. Hopefully this helped you do that. If you don't see that grouped field on your pivot and analysis tab, let me know. Hope this helps.